So the NX350 has rain sensing windshield wipers, and so I just wanted to show you all how they worked. As you can see, it's currently raining, and the wipers, they did go once. I'm not sure where the sensor is exactly, but this definitely is one of my favorite features. So when it's raining, I don't have to try to figure out where to turn the wipers on or how fast it's going, because based on how hard it's raining, it does adjust. So you can see there it just started going faster as the rain started coming down harder. Sometimes when I'm driving, I do feel like it's a little delayed. And again, that's why I say I'm not sure where the sensors are in the wipers. So let's see how long it takes for the wipers to get going again. So it was definitely over 10 seconds. I got a call, so I had to stop recording. Another thing that I wanted to mention is, for example, if you don't park in a garage, or you park outside at night, or if you're somewhere where it was raining and then by the time you get back to your car it stopped raining, when you do crank your car, the wipers will wipe that water off of your windshield and it won't continue to wipe. So I don't know, it's just the little features like that that I feel really make a difference. So really, that's all that I had to say. I'll continue to let the video play just in case anyone wants to just watch how the wipers are working. So yep, that's all.